Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be teaching you on how to use Python to send Gmail, how to automate your Gmail, and it's going to be a very sweet and interesting session. We all know how to send our Gmail normally, our mails, whether a business mail or something, but now we are going to be using Python to automate it. You understand? No need of you writing it manually and opening your Gmail app. You use Python, just few lines of code, you'll be able to send a mail directly using your Python. So in order to do that, starting with the code, you need to import our SMTP, which is the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol server. We need to import it, SMTP lib like this. We need to import it, and also we need to import our OS environment. We'll be using the SMTP lib, which is also the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol library. That's the first library that we imported here. The simple, the S stands for simple, the M mail, the T transfer, and the P stands for protocol. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol library, and this is the OS environment library. And also for us to do that, I've saved my Gmail and my password in the environment. I will guess that now. Hope you are typing along with me. Remember I said practicing the writing of this code retains the knowledge. It gives you more understanding of it when you write the code yourself and not just copy it. Now what I've just done here is my email and my password. This is the sender email, and sender password. You understand? Now this email is the email that you want to use to send the mail. The password here is not the password to your Gmail account. It is called app password, and in order to get this app password, you're going to get it from your Gmail account. And this is my own Gmail account. I'm going to log in now. Now after logging into your Gmail account like this, you go to security, the security part. Then in order for you to get the app password, you need to enable the two-step authentication, the two-step verification. If you've not enabled it, once I've enabled mine, you have to enable it, because without enabling it you won't be able to get the app password. And by the time you enable it, once mine is turned on, if I click here, I'm going to turn it off. After I enable it, you scroll down, you see the app password here. So it is this place that will generate the password that you're going to use in your PyCharm app. So in order for you to generate it, you click here, and after clicking here, you can see me, I've created mine. You just type the app name, let's say Python, then you click on create. So it's going to show you the password like this. So it's this password here that I'm going to copy and go and use in your PyCharm. So I'm going to delete this one now because I already have mine. Exactly. The password you got from that app, from your Gmail account, which is the app password, is the password that you're going to use here. Remember that. But now you cannot use it like this because I created an environment variable for security reasons. You understand? So now for your own case, all you just have to do is In this sender email, you just replace it with your normal Gmail address. It's going to be something like this. Then here, inside this sender password, inside this double quote too, the password you got from your app password, which is from your Gmail, is what to be inside this double quote. Maybe it is some letters like this. That's how you do the password. But in my own case, I'm using an environment variable for security purpose. If you also want to know how to create this environment variable, there's another video dedicated to that. Now let's continue. After getting our mail and our password, we'll continue with, we have to establish a connection with the SMTP server, which is the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This library that we imported, we have to establish a connection with that server, the server of this Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. And in order to establish a server, we use the with SMTP smtp _ SSL. I'm sure some of you will be wondering what this SSL stands for, and some of you might know it. So this SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer. Stands for Secure Socket Layer, and we are trying to establish a connection with the SMTP server using the Secure Socket Layer. After doing this, you open your parentheses, and inside double quotes, you are going to put the server domain, and the server domain for that of Gmail is smtp.gmail.com. Now this is the host address, the server email. This is the SMTP server. You know, I said we are trying to establish a connection with the SMTP server using SSL, Secure Socket Layer. This is the SMTP server for Gmail, which is smtp.gmail.com. And after this, you have to also put the port number, and the port number for Gmail is 465, like this, 465. The server for Yahoo Mail and all other type of mail is different from that of Gmail. So you are doing that, we have to look online, go online, we check for the server address for the, maybe it's Yahoo Mail. If it is Yahoo Mail, it is smtp.gmail.yahoo.com. This is for Yahoo Mail, but we are not dealing with Yahoo since we are sending from a Gmail account. You can send from this Gmail account to any other type of account, to any other type of mail. But if you are sending from a Gmail, it's going to be like this. And if you are sending from a Yahoo Mail, it's going to be .yahoo.com, like this. But since you are sending from a Gmail, it's going to be smtp.gmail.com. So we are going to continue as connection. Remember, I said we are trying to establish a connection using the SMTP, using the SSL. So now after doing this, you'll be wondering on this. The next thing is to log into your Gmail. And how do you log into your Gmail? This connection, you establish the connection using as connection, right? Going to be connection.login. So who is the user? The user is this sender email. You are the one using this server to send an email address. So it's going to be sender email, and the password is going to be sender password. Remember, I said this password is not your email account, it is the app password that is generated from your Gmail. Now after doing this, the next thing to do is to send your mail. You can see just with minimum of highest 15 lines. So the next line of code is connection dot send mail. Now this send mail is going to be from address. Where are you sending the email from? You are also still sending the email from this mail. You are sending the email from this email address, so it's going to be sender email. Now to address, the address you want to send the email to. So I'm going to send the email to my other email. You can come and put that also in the variable here, receiver email. You can see here now that I typed out my email address. I didn't store it as an environment variable. This is my second email address, but this ones I had to store it as an environment variable for security reasons. Now the address, the receiver email, which is the address that I'm receiving the mail to send, I'm going to put it here as the receiver email. And now what is the message that you want to send? The message you want to send, let's say maybe hello world. And this is all about sending this thing. I'm going to see if I run this code now, I'm going to receive the email. And you see it has showed process finished with exit code 0. That means it has been successful. Now I'm going to head over to my Gmail account to see the mail. Now I know you just heard that sound. That's the notification. So I'm going to head over to my Gmail now. Can you see? This is it. The mail has entered. Hello world from this mail address. Hello world. Can you see? And that's it. You've been able to send an email using your Python programming language. Now there can be a problem with this, in the sense that okay, you might have sent your mail and does not appear under normal email address. It appeared under your spam folder. Now it's because there is no subject and it's your first time, so Gmail, because of their security reasons, is going to address it as a spam mail. So in order to overcome that, all you just have to do is to create a subject. And how do you create a subject for your mail? You are going to come here and type in capital letter subject like this, then put whatever you want to your subject, maybe greetings, then you put slash like this, meaning this slash n means new line, double new line, and this is the subject. If you now if you send this mail again, now you see that it's going to apply under your normal mail. Now it will apply, it will no longer apply under your spam mail. You can see it has sent successfully. Now let's head over to the Gmail and go and check if it was successful, and if you received it, maybe it appeared under our spam or it appeared under normal Gmail. Now that's just all about using Python to send an email. Now you watch this video, if you've learned one or two things, just click on the subscription button, like and share. Thank you.